Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know that thing's set for bliss. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see on the screen, we're going to be updating all week on this situation with JAii Frais and Jahvi. So we're just going to get into that part of the review first, because you know, say everybody has been in police custody since what day, because somebody needs to be charged and held liable for these heinous acts that we see went down at Big Wall Party. This is local civilians getting harmed as well as American tourists. Definitely not a good look. We have heard one side of the story from JAii Frais. You know what I mean? But I'm not going to tell you a lie, my people. My industry insider hit me, right? And was telling me some things, right? JAii Frais might be in some trouble because him never disarm nobody, because I am brethren. Give him the tooling. So let me read you exactly what my industry insider said to me, and then we'll proceed. So the person said, "Hey King, world exclusive here. What really happened? JAii Frais and his girlfriend, right, and his friend, the guy that do the host, the podcast with. You see, they saw 450 and his producer, and they were with an entourage throwing words when a JAii Frais friend give him his licensed firearm. After JAii Frais went to go use the toilet, they follow him. They approach backstage. The guy get shot, right? The guy that gets shot box him, right? JAii Frais pulled out the gun and, started to fire. The others run for cover. The producer pulled out his licensed firearm and returned fire, right? Jay gets shot. This is that's the story, allegedly. Problems in the comment section, no, my people, because whoa, right, a lot of people is going to be getting arrested here, and a lot of people is going to be found liable, because the lawsuit them are coming. I know the lawyers them is weighing in on JAii Frais shooting. It's a mass, as you know, Christopher Tone said, is saying that even though Jay is not a licensed firearm, he still is in the grounds to stand his ground, and return fire and all of this good stuff. You see, but yeah, what I heard today from my industry insider is a different ball game. You know what I mean? Everybody is going to get arrested. You see, everybody. You know what I mean? But who's going to be charged for what? I don't know yet. You see, because Jahvi them was the aggressor. You know what I mean? And them let him bridge and them get popped in the act of a crime of commission. You know what I mean? If JAii Frais really get the gun from him bridging, some FLA laws right this one, some civilian, is going to get some civil lawsuits. But me just giving a quick update while going for to go on, you see me? Let's proceed.
You say you fight for your friend. But should I see your friend this yesterday? I'm doing a mascot.
Yes, my people, Rosealee breaks silence on, the things that I'm going to say that go on yesterday. Because, she gonna save you and police call and all of this stuff. But Rosealee said, don't forget, say, that them, she's dangerous, you know what I mean? And this is nothing new. They've been warring before social media. So I seen a comment yesterday on my page saying the gifters should really stop, because they're, supplying these people to do foolishness out the road. But Rosealee said, no, they've been doing this before. TikTok, what the thingy? Yeah, but nevertheless, she said she's going to make them stress and she's going to turn off them light around this one. Yeah, power out. You see me?
I'm afraid. I'm not see a friend since night. I got a long time, but so long out there with a long time, I don't drink a special, I never really go out, I never really go about no argument. I go about something when I not talk, and it's very personal. I'm in the office of the person face to face to tell them me mind. Because I do it over the phone, it now go register. None at all. Because I know them stay. It not going to register. So I have to go there and tell them, say, I'm serious. I not talk it so. Remember see your friend? Your friend did over there earlier on. And for your friend glimpse me, whoop, I'm out of here. She run from me not wear nothing. I come down now, I go about Sherika over there. I'm a bad girl, and Rose Karen print me and pray. Move, you're so cocky blood clan. Oh, look for your baby father. Una dirty coolie. Out of the whole family, I want somebody alone say have ambition and a tie out of the fingernail. Move your suck cocky blood clot, Charika. A clout to no one. Una look clout and hype. A different things me go about. I over here chat, oh, you're bad, this and you will do this and Chicago Republic, I'm still blah 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 blah. For beg. How she come about? I pay internet meme over here, so I'm top argue with them. Internet meme. She can't put me in. I'm a bad girl, I'm bad. Move, I look for your blood clot 10,000. Man, I'm a fuck on and breed and I look pound. When I call you, no fuck out. A cloud you come about. She said, I'm serious more than you. Can't you want me not trouble you, know? That's that you not get. What you forget about me is, this so me not trouble you, it hard face. For you said done, I'm done. I saw me stay for me little bit. Me not fast with you. So it's hard. For you said done, I'm just take it and say, I'm hard for me done, because I'm not trouble you. I saw me stay. It's harder for me done, because I'm not trouble you. Me not go see you and fast with you. Me not go see you and trouble. Me go see you and hold me head straight. And whole part time I go along, there's enough girl I don't talk to. I'm hold me head straight. Me don't even say act to. Me hold me head straight. But go home, I come out and leave. I have kids still live down there. Me not walk and fast with nobody. Don't tell me, and only time I ever used to go to the session, I went me in a war with man. I'm not go down there. I not walk and look beef with people. Because when the beef stop, I go on done because I'm not trouble you. Oh? Yeah. I'm not trouble you. So all I tell who, if you don't go do that, I don't business, I don't care. Oh boy, I some water and choke on the girl, I shield the girl. You never did see that. But you don't want people on the side, you don't stay, you don't want to throw the stone and hide the rock. And when people, serious people retaliate, when serious people retaliate, you don't go on like someone is, we are bullbuck and double conquer and I play victim. A victim channel auntie I play pan live. The girl them serious. Huh? Too little bit enough. Now run joke, what do you know? Yeah. Cause whether them want buy a bed, whether them want buy my mama bed, stove, TV, roof, I don't care. This is not my problem. I don't tell a lie, my light is in the house. Don't make me if I go cut it off for real. Because I tell a lie for me. Like they don't tell a lie for me because I will cut it off for real. I don't go about uno. I don't mash I don't go about. Cause see things them there, girl. Where you talk to me for me, friend? You know classmates today, what wrong with you now? What is wrong with her? Yeah, I know. I might two basket cover them there. I put them back. Come there and I go over the yard. After I come there, I say Sherika lean up at the gate like she hold the gate post. She had the gate, she had security for the gate. She look. Well, my special made it all long. You come go there now. I kiss up two look a baby because you know me like baby. I say she did there and she hold the gate long time and the gate hold and I should the gatekeeper. I'm did it all long, I may say. I start bust it. I say she did on live because somebody play on screen and I say don't play because me don't play. She did on live and blah, she talk and I say so much things you talking on one day. I say some ever want my composure. I say I did all long, I say some like blood clad crosses, blood clad people. Because girl me don't even see me, I don't know no family no way. Nobody not trouble, but you know say something, I don't say views, I don't want to beg. You want to enter the tract. How over them I go, you know? How over them I go? Me not look at my mother. My mother know me not look at she. Because the whole on in our business, I regular we used to tear down before with social media. And the things them. A long time we not hot water. We cost one of them fling down and tear down and everything. We live bad long time. But show them can run to the media and someone like a stinking pussy old girl and someone like a stinking pussy young girl can join our corner and Rose we give us Caesar due to Caesar. We live bad long time. I just yesterday night last week. And cuss and argue all the time. And fling things for one another all the time. And tear it down all the time. We live bad. That's the truth. So now I'm not sure them can click live and come over here now and come ball and baby. I rose this, I rose that, I rose this, I rose. Them tell me things and me tell them things. Them do me things and me do them back things. The whole of we are crosses. You know like hear that? The whole of we are crosses. And not me alone. Them tell me things and me tell them back things. Them do me things and me do them back things. And the whole fucking letter we are some set of crosses. And the whole of we are blood in our blood. The whole of we are chin crosses. So now I can put all of them blame for me. Give them for them share, 4 share, man. Because it takes 2 to tangle. It takes 3 to have a discussion. And it takes 4 to mingle. The whole lot of we are crosses. And not for we have family we can. Not for we have family way. When them can't agree. And some family live loving. 2 peas in our pot. Yeah. And as I said before, because you know, I don't really care so me stay. I'm not business, but not help where you want to get. Don't tell a light upon me, but me lack of light upon you, because light the yard. You know, the house always dark. You know, the house always dark. No light not upon the veranda when night come. And I like that in the living room when night come. I used to ring like me used to look. I used to ring like alarm I used to use. The only place like that in my mother's room. Not even the room where me did the light did it. I ring like me used to use on TV light. I run at the back of light and the bathroom of light. Cause the socket them now work. Don't come tell about the me cut off light for you wicked woman. I beg. Beg if you beg. No come tell no lie. Cause that's say you gonna piss me right. You gonna rile me up and I'm gonna cut it off for true. Talk when me do. Me you accept it because I always have a reason. Me not go about you. Me never see you. You not see her? Me not see her. But don't see her, the number 1. Because I know she stay. Me not see her because I know she stay. Because when all of this is done and over, oh, my daughter, I love you. You know see that already? When I go for another woman stay, I know she stay. When all of this done and over and blow out, oh, my daughter, I love you in my mind, I beg. She want to beg me something now, you know. What now? My daughter, I love you, come give me a hug. I'll hug. She want to see me all 2 months from now or next week from now when her money done, she want to hug from me. As to me know them like my hand back. Them are my family. Who can't tame in them. So no matter what them use, you know, and say and do and show me and I need the blood clot bus. At the end of the blood clot there, me can't go so. Snap my finger back and get back to reality. Yeah? As demon, they can as wicked as them be. Me know for all them mean. And me I push them way. Because for you show me where the pants stay far. Some of we can't do money hungry. Me can't show about my pitney because of money. Me can't show about me can't show about my pitney them because of money. Me can't show about my man because of money. Me can't show about my friend because of money. Me loyal to the T. Me not ready, I'm in a bad man, I'm in a grudge, I'm in a envious. But any bad game where you got issue to me as a human being, I got issue back out, give nasty stinking blood clot. Because me never go down to the car the door. Me never do all of when me do something, me never there for do it. Come and come, I don't need them. But me I fight back fire with fire. Because all you la marsha ready for lick musto. Where sister at more the pick them, all of them in my care. But if them for gone away, I look a party, I look a function, she ready. If she cook them we eat, you want to lick the girl, like you not cook give them. Like born me personally. You not cook give them. When you hustle, you're not to go to your niece, you never the master come. When you hustle over, you're not to go to your niece, your nephew, and your sister, your little sister, and your blood clot picnic out, you're to go to so cocky friend. Go treat them to them as kids. You not do that. So a girl will go willing for say rate and tell when you come out to my youth them. I'm going to have her back straight to the T. I ain't think what you say a law. Yeah. All the one women I chat to. I treat them not say me will fight for them. Just the same. All the one women a blood clot chat to. We will fight for no say, yeah, some stay man. But sometimes I just make you keep on the distance from me just whole minds. If you look out for my youth them, me having in my head all the time. Sometimes I say loud that. I never tell the girl like in the pin, me not to talk. Me not see her fast with that. More made straight. Not trouble.
Yeah, madness. So I'm just giving you a quick update what the streets them must say. Maybe JAii Frais lie to the police. You see, my people. So we're not going long without no longer. So do the right thing. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you turn on the notification bell as well. Before you've been notified whenever I chat the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bliss.